As far as knowledge work goes, the biggest verdict rendered in 2021 was about the way we work. It's done. We are not going back to full-time in-person work. The biggest recurring question tech leaders will face in 2022 is about how to make best use of their in-person face time. That time is now so precious, we have to figure out ways to make the best use of it. Here's my guidance on how to best use in-person time. First, let's talk about some failure modes. Doing status reporting in person, waste of time. I'm also going to say that doing tech review type project work in person is also not maximizing your in-person time. If all you're talking about in person is just the projects of the day, you're probably blowing an opportunity. Which brings me to the North Star for in-person meetings. You want to use that time to build trust in relationships, coaching, resolving disagreements and frictions, and finally those really big picture type strategic discussions. And look, I doubt any of you are going to disagree with that. The problem is a lot of leaders just don't know how to do it. I mean, how do you build trust in a 2-hour in-person meeting? Do you just talk about project stuff and hope that in the water cooler conversations, people will get to know each other? Well, that's better than nothing, but it's not maximizing the time. What we know is that trust is built through sharing vulnerability and demonstrating safety. Quick example, if I tell you what's hard about my job, and you don't make fun of me, but rather listen to me and try to help me, then I'm going to trust you. One of the best habits you can get into as a leader is just to write down everyday disagreements or small little frictions that you observe. Keep a backlog of these. Then use the in-person time to talk about those and resolve them. In fact, it's even better if you advertise this backlog to the entire team. Get people used to the idea that there is a space where they're going to be able to work out problems. The best teams have an annual, quarterly, and monthly cadence to these meetings that really have recurring themes, do relationship building, and discuss strategic project initiatives. But I'll be honest, setting this up as a leader is a lot of work. You've really got to plan those in-person conversations and think about team building activities. It can be a little daunting. So if you feel like you're not maximizing your in-person time with your team, please reach out to me. I've got lots of tips, ideas, and I can show you how to do it in detail. Bye for now.